Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Talent Hub. I have come once again with an English instructor, Mr. Shakir sir. Sir, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm levitating. What about you?
Alhamdulillah, sir. I'm so far so good. So today I want to ask you some Bengali sentences and you have to translate into English. So are you ready for it?
Ready as it, but definitely I'm going to do it. Go on.
Okay, let's get started.
All right.
আমার উপর বিশ্বাস রাখো।
Trust on me. Trust on me.
পিতা মাতার উপর বিশ্বাস রাখো।
Trust on your parents. Trust on your parents.
ঘন ঘন আত্মীয় স্বজনের সাথে দেখা করো।
Meet your relatives frequently.
কুকুর থেকে সাবধান হও।
Watch out from dog. Watch out from dog.
আমি যদি বলি গার্লফ্রেন্ড থেকে সাবধান হও।
Oh my god, that's hilarious. Okay, so be careful about your girlfriend. তোমার গার্লফ্রেন্ড থেকে সাবধান হও।
চট দিয়ে দাঁত ফেলে দেব।
Are you jesting with me?
You have to translate into English, sir.
Okay. I will slap up your teeth. I will slap up your teeth.
গলা নামিয়ে কথা বলো।
Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down.
নাক গলিও না।
Don't poke your nose. Over here, over there, you can say. Okay.
That's all about today. See you next with a new video. Stay with Talent Hub. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.